Hello, fellow plant enthusiasts. Today, we're setting out on an exciting journey to uncover the wonders of Barkeria Halbingeri, a magnificent orchid species that holds a special place in the world of botany. Originating from the lush landscapes of Central America, this orchid has captured the hearts of plant enthusiasts with its stunning blooms and remarkable characteristics. Its journey from its natural habitat to the world of cultivation is a testament to its enduring allure. Delicate and intricate, these blossoms showcase a unique fusion of colors and patterns that are a sight to behold. The vibrant shades and intricate details make each flower a work of art, captivating both experienced growers and those new to the world of orchids. Bright, filtered light is essential to encourage healthy growth and vibrant blooms. A well-draining medium that mimics its natural habitat will provide the ideal foundation for success. With proper care and attention, you'll witness the magic of these blooms in your own home. Its unique beauty makes it a stunning centerpiece or a standout addition to your orchid display. Consider pairing it with other orchid species that share similar growing requirements, creating a harmonious and visually captivating arrangement. Its unique characteristics and captivating blooms have garnered attention in the world of botanical shows and exhibitions. Whether you're a seasoned grower or a newcomer to the world of orchids, Barkeria Halbingeri offers a journey of discovery and admiration. There you have it. The enchanting world of Barkeria Halbingeri, an orchid species that encapsulates the beauty and allure of the plant kingdom. Happy cultivating, and may the beauty of Barkeria Halbingeri grace your living space with its magnificence.